I don't know about you, but I've got a bunch of these batteries and they are, I mean, great if you've got the tools that go with it. But I love the fact that you can use this really, really powerful 20-volt battery and combine it with this little adapter, and this thing transforms it entirely. So this used to be on my chainsaw, used to be on my blower, and it works great. But check this out. As soon as I adapt it right like this, now, same color too, I love that. They actually thought of that. Now, all of a sudden, this battery, this 20-volt, 5-ampere battery will go through this adapter, and now all of a sudden, I've got USB-A and USB-C. Now, I can turn it on, as you can see. Press that button, it turns on. Now, when you do press that button, it starts automatically discharging the battery, or basically saying like, I want that power. If you're not using it, if you're not plugging in anything, it will completely shut off automatically in 10 minutes. So you've got 10 minutes to find something to plug. So right now, I've got my phone right here. I want to try it out. Haven't tried it out yet. So I've got USB-C in my phone, just USB-A right there. And let's see if it works. Oh, beauty. Right away, works. I mean, I expected it to work, obviously, but I love the fact that this is so portable. If you're a camper, if you're a hiker, if you are a worker, you're on the job and you've got all these tools, but man, you need to charge your phone sometimes. This is great because it does give you so much power. You're gonna have a lot more power than those other types of portable chargers because you've got this big DeWalt 20-volt battery attached to it. The fun thing is that if you have multiple batteries, you've got multiple adapters as well. But yeah, this thing charges really, really quickly, and USB-C and USB-A, it's a winner.